When I really mean to say you're my all and more. All I know, you taught me. Yeah, you're my all and.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can probably tell from the title of this video, today I'm going to show you my everyday makeup tutorial slash routine. I don't really do much. I don't wear makeup every day, but this is my go-to look for when I need to go out and still look presentable, but it's just a casual event. So yeah, without further ado, let's get to it. Obviously, we're going to start with primer, and the one that I use is the Urban Decay Self-Adjusting Complexion Primer. And I just apply that with my hands and fingers because I'm too lazy to use a synthetic brush and clean it afterwards. And then I mix the Smashbox Studio Skin 15 Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation with my BH Liquid Foundation Naturally Flawless. And I don't know about you guys, but I have winter and summer skin, and I tend to be a lot darker in the summer, so that's why I have two shades. And then I just mix them together to suit my complexion. And then obviously apply and buff that in with a beauty blender or the Real Techniques beauty sponge like I did in this video. Just make sure that's all buffed into your hairline and there's no harsh or blotchiness. And then I use the Maybelline Master Concealer in medium deep, and I use that to highlight my face, as you do. And then to set that, I use the Maybelline Shine Free Loose Powder, and I think it's in medium deep too, so it's not translucent, so keep that in mind. And then I use the NYX Highlight Plus Contour Pro palette, and then I use the darkest shade to contour my face, and then the next two shades up to bronze my face. I don't know why, but I love bronzing. It's kind of my thing, so I do a lot of that. And then I use the Chi Chi Cosmetics Brow Pomade in Black Brown, and oh my god, I am so in love with this product, but mine is drying out and they're out of stock right now. They've been out of stock for like 2 months and I'm devastated. And then I use the Milani Baked Blush to give my cheeks a little bit of color, and again, I am so in love with a subtle blush, so I use this a lot. And then I use this spoolie brush, or whatever brush everyone calls this, to brush out my extensions, but if I did have my normal ones, I'd use the Revlon mascara that I showed you there. And then I use this Essence Clear Lip Gloss. I am so in love with lip gloss. I don't know what I like about it, but it's amazing. And then I use the Maybelline Brow Gel to set my brows. And then obviously use my Urban Decay Setting Spray All Nighter. And just let that set into your face and you're absolutely done.
Don't fuck with me.